Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Max on LG OLED TV. Quick guide step by step clearly. To activate Max on your LG OLED TV, first, turn on your television. Ensure your TV is connected to the internet. Use the remote to navigate to the home screen. Locate the LG Content Store icon and select it. Once the Content Store opens, use the search function. Type Max in the search bar and press enter. Find the Max app in the search results. Select the app and choose the install option. Wait for the app to download and install on your TV. After installation, return to the home screen. Find the Max app icon in your installed applications. Select the Max app to launch it. You will be prompted to log in or create an account. If you have an account, enter your login details and select Sign In. For new users, choose the option to create an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your new account. Once logged in, you can start browsing and enjoying content. If necessary, adjust your account settings in the app. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies on Max. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.